Hey everyone, my name is Landon Hartman and I'm a senior at NC State's Wilson College of Textiles, majoring in textile engineering and minoring in history. Today, I'll be taking you for a typical day in my life as a senior in textile engineering. I'm on the go pretty quickly most days, so I usually get up, take a shower, brush my teeth, and I'm out the door within 45 minutes. Living at NC State's Wolfridge Apartments on Centennial campus, it makes getting to class pretty simple. I can simply jump on one of the buses at one of the many bus stops around the apartment complex. My first class today is actually at Carmichael Gym over on main campus. Students at NC State have to take 2 fitness classes during their time here. I decided to take backpacking, which has been my favorite class this semester. The class is focused around learning practical outdoor skills, that way you can plan your own backpacking trip in the future. This week we are starting our orienteering unit, which involves hiking around Lake Johnson with a map and a compass. All the skills we're learning over this course is leading up to our final, where we're going to go to Mount Rogers and take a 3-day backpacking trip. After backpacking, I usually meet up with a friend to work out since I'm already at the gym. Carmichael Gym is huge and full of all the exercise equipment you could ever want, including weight rooms, an indoor running track, and even a 3-story tall rock climbing wall. After my workout, I run over to Tally, NC State Student Union, and grab a quick lunch. It has lots of different options and is a great place to stop for a quick bite to eat between classes. Today, I'll be grabbing a burrito bowl from Los Lobos. After lunch, I'm back to the bus stop so I can head to my on-campus job before senior design. Once I'm back on Centennial campus, I usually head to the textiles building to clock in for work. Currently, I'm working with one of the college's industry partners to work on research for their innovation pipeline. This includes communicating with different labs around the college in order to get different yarns, fabrics, and even products tested. Today, I was working on a custom yarn feeding device for a specialty yarn I've been working with. After a couple hours, it's time to clock out and head off to senior design. Senior design is the capstone for every textile engineering student. Everyone is partnered with a university or industry sponsor who gives you a problem to solve using all the skills you've learned through the program. My team's project is hemp quality and assessment. Our goal is to help create standard guidelines and quality assessment practices for hemp fiber. This would allow the hemp fiber industry to effectively communicate all the way from farming to manufacturing to product development. Today, the team was performing microscopy in the microscopy lab. We're trying to look at hemp fiber under a microscope to try and get a better idea of what we're working with and how many fibers are in a hemp fiber bundle. After spending a couple hours undergoing testing, I'm off to do some homework. Hunt Library is across the street from the textile college, making hopping over there to do homework right after class super convenient. There's a variety of different areas to sit and do homework depending on what kind of mood you're in. After grinding out a few assignments and watching a couple lectures for my online class, I'm finally done with school for the day. Before heading home, I'm actually off to a friend's place to hang out for a bit. We decided just to hang around his living room and chat about our days for a little bit. Usually I cook at home, but tonight there was actually a community event at my apartment building. These events are a great way to meet people living around you. Plus, there's usually free food. Tonight they were actually serving alpaca chicken. After dinner, I usually spend some time unwinding, laying in bed, usually reading or playing on my Nintendo Switch. It's nice just to lay around and relax after such a busy day before heading to bed and starting it all again the next. Thanks so much for tagging along today. If you're thinking about studying textile engineering at NC State University, I hope this gave you a peek into what it's really like. Until next time, see ya!